Now let's look at this question number 9 here. We have the diagram 5 shows a planet orbiting the sun. Okay, so here there's a visualization of a planet that is moving from point A to point B and then from point C to point D. And somehow you can notice that there is a area covered by it. Okay, so if you are looking at here, you have this area covered from here and then you have another area covered from here to here. So usually if you are looking at this picture, this kind of visualization will be describing about one law that is discussed under the third chapter for the form 4, which is Kepler's law. Okay, so for this one, going to be focused on the second Kepler's law. You have to understand, when we are talking about Kepler's law, okay, you are going to have three laws. The first law will be talking about the shape of orbit. What is the shape of the orbit that has been introduced by Kepler? The elliptical shape, ellipse. The sun will be in the one of the measure, okay, and then you are going to have the planet that is going to move around the sun in an elliptical orbit. What does this Kepler's first law told you guys? Where it say that the shape of the orbital is going to be an elliptical shape where the sun will be in one of the focus point. Dia akan berada pada satu titik fokus. So this one we call it as major focus point. And for your information, the reason why you are having this elliptical shape, it is because you are having a minor gravitational attraction between the planet and also the sun. So katakanlah kat sini ada bumi kan, you have the earth here. So you going to have a minor gravitational attraction in between the sun and also the earth itself. Why we have this minor attraction here? Because this one is coming from the other planet. Because you have to understand that we are moving around another planet. So this minor gravitational attraction, it is causes by the other planet, okay, the other surrounding planet. Okay, so dia daripada planet yang berdekatan. Okay, depends lah kepada planet apa yang dekat waktu tu.